Hello students, today I will discuss string handling functions through the programs already in this presentation. There are various string handling functions. We will discuss one by one. Is strcat. strcat stands for concatenation. The short is the word is concatenation, to join the two strings, and in short we write it as strcat. In string handling programs you need to add one more header file for taking the string handling function string.h along with stdio and conio.h. Now here the target of the program is to join three strings Khalsa, college and Patiala, including space between them, Khalsa space college space Patiala. Now we want to use strcat. strcat takes only two arguments. It means at a time it can attach only two, concatenate only two strings. So we will use this function multiple times in this program to concatenate and make our final string. So in the first line we have taken a result character array, a blank character array in which we will put in double quotes single space so that we can provide the space between the words. Three strings in the second line, s1, s2 and s3, Khalsa, college and Patiala. Third line using strcat function, it uses result comma s1. You need to focus on the third line. strcat we are using the function, it is taking two arguments, result comma s1. Now the first argument result is the destination string, comma s1, the second argument is the source string. We will be concatenating s1 to result. Till now here at third point result is empty, so we are just putting s1 to result. Khalsa is there in the result. Now in the fourth line what we want, after Khalsa we don't want directly college, we want a space, so we are concatenating blank with result. Now we want to concatenate college with the result. Here already in the fifth line in the result we have Khalsa and space. Now we are attaching college. Then we will attach blank, and then in the last we will attach Patiala, and you can see the entire string in the output. This function is strcopy. Next function, copy means to copy from one location to another, as we all do in Windows. Here in the fourth line you can see strcpy is the function. It takes two arguments. First is destination string where we want to copy, comma source string, the source string from where we want to copy. So in line number 1 you are taking two strings, source and destination. You are taking source from the user, you want to copy that into destination, then you are displaying that through sixth line put as source and eighth line put as destination. strcmp is compare, it compares two strings. The main point is if the two strings are same, then it will give us the value 0, otherwise a non-zero value. So in the sixth point, if strcmp s1 s2, you are taking two strings s1 and s2, you can read the lines thoroughly 1 to 5. If the value comes 0, we are using equality operator to compare it with 0. If it is 0, then the strings are equal, otherwise not equal. strlen is the function which returns us the mathematical value of the string, means the length of the string. Here you will take the string from the user through getAs, putAs or any other method. You are using strlen function. strlen, in the bracket you will put the string, it will return you the length of the string. strrev is the function which will reverse the string. Simply you need to take the string from the user. When you use strrev function and put the str in the bracket as argument, it will simply reverse it. Now the question is to whether the string is palindrome or not. students, in this presentation I have entered this program using string handling functions, but sometimes this program will come to check whether the entered string is palindrome or not without using string handling functions. Please check your books to find that program, or internet. I think in book there is a program in which we are not using string handling functions. That is also a very important program. In this we are using string handling functions. So let's see what is palindrome. Palindrome is the string. When we reverse a string, the string is same, like madam, madam. Madam is an English word. When you reverse it again, it becomes madam, madam. So this is a palindrome. When you reverse the string and the strings become similar to the original string, then it is a palindrome. Firstly, you are here in this program, you are taking one string from the user S1, you are copying that string in S2, and then you are reversing it, because you need to compare the original string with the reverse string. So you are reversing it in S2 in the different location, then you are comparing S1 and S2. If it is same, it gives us value 0, then it's a palindrome, otherwise it is not a palindrome, because for palindrome you need to compare two things whether they are same or not, and those two things will be one is original, other is reverse of that, then you can compare whether they are same or not. So firstly you copied one string in another location, then you reversed it, then you compared it. Next is str upr. Upr is upper. As we all know, small abcd and capital abcd. Capital abcd is known as uppercase, small abcd is known as lowercase. When we have any entered string, we want to convert the string in exactly uppercase, we will simply use str upr, and in bracket we will supply the string. In the fifth line, in the printf line, in the end you can see str upr, and we are supplying str. It will just print the output in complete caps lock. Similarly, strlwr, it will convert the string into lowercase. This program is also important to sort the characters. You have already done sorting in arrays. Bubble sort I have focused on. Here also bubble sort is used. You simply taking the string and calculating the length in the fifth line. Now you are applying bubble sort on the string. Sixth line to till 15th line is the bubble sort. Just revise the bubble sort, then apply this bubble sort on array of characters. You are comparing a, b, c, d among themselves, and what is the length of the array depends on the length of the string. Now you are printing the sorted string, so you need to revise the bubble sort, and you always use dry run method to think. Sometimes students, when we do this program, I also did one mistake I want to share with you, that when I was reading this program, I thought that it will reverse it, but in the output you have to again focus that it will just sort it from a to z. Smallest character will come first, then second. Sometimes in the output we imagine wrong thing, and we think our code is wrong. The code is right. Just do the dry run and try to use copy and pen when you understand the program. Don't understand try to understand the program virtually in your mind. You need pen and page to understand the program. Put the values in the variables, control variables, then see what is happening, where a is going, where b is going, and so on. Students, you these are the few programs which I have added in this presentation, but you can complete the programs from your book. Few programs are also there extra in the book. You can practice, like I told, palindrome without using string handling functions. Many programs are very important. This is very important concept, strings. Generally practical program also comes in theory. I have given the theory assignment also. Just follow the deadlines, then we will in the next week we will start the new chapter. Thank you.